Welcome to Buy Sell Vouchers. In this video, we will guide you on how to recharge a diamonds in Mobile Legends. Once you have successfully purchased a Mobile Legends diamonds from Buy Sell Vouchers, simply copy your voucher code provided by a Buy Sell Vouchers seller. Now, go back to the Mobile Legends site. Here go to three dots from right top corner. Here under Tools, you will see the Redeem option. Click on it. Now the voucher box will be indicated. Paste your product voucher code here. Then provide your game ID and zone ID of game. Now send the code to your game mailbox. Once you receive a verification code on game mailbox, paste it here. Once everything is confirmed, then click on Redeem. Congratulations! You have successfully redeemed your Mobile Legends diamonds in your account through Buy Sell Vouchers. Thank you for choosing Buy Sell Vouchers.